Are you interested in becoming a successful real estate investor? Then you're going to want to keep watching. New York City, on December 9th, I am coming to you and I am going to be teaching you everything you need to know to become a successful investor in today's real estate market. But because we're talking about systems this week, I want to take a moment to talk about one of the 5 systems every successful real estate investor has to have in their business.
Okay, so we are on day 3 and the third step to your REI business systems. Now, this team is incredibly crucial. This can be one person, but really this comes in when you have had at least 8 or 9 deals going at the same time. Who is this? This is your transaction coordinator. Your transaction coordinator is going to make sure that every part of your transactions of your business are going smoothly and they're in the right place. I recommend this for 8+ deals. What they can do is really help you out. When you have multiple deals under contract and they're all in different areas, some are, putting in offers, some are going to closing, some are in between, some are getting liens taken care of, things like that, then you want a transaction coordinator to help you out here. So this is your third step, and this is very, very crucial when you are exponentially growing. Take it off your shoulders and let someone else run those day-to-day deals.
Now, if you want to learn the ins and outs of all 5 systems for any investor in today's real estate market, then you want to come to New York City and spend the day with us on December 9th. I cannot wait to see you there.